writing. Oh, that's why. There's a workbook. Okay, come on, hand. Come on out. I know you're waiting to help me and startle me. Where are you? Are you up here? Down here?
I can help you.
Ugh, that hand scares me every time. Bye, hand.
All right, hello everybody. These are pages 30 and 31 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and we're doing the Let's Learn part of Unit 4. So first, we have a family picture here, and in the picture are all these family members. And before we go ahead and write the names down here, let's just remember the words from our student book.
Grandmother, grandfather, mother,
father,
sister, brother, baby sister,
baby brother.
Okay, let's start. Number 1 is the mother, so we'll just trace that. M-O-T-H-E-R. Right, mother is done. Number 2 is the father. So let's trace that. So let's write that. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, done. Number 3, is this the baby sister, the grandfather, the brother, or the grandmother? Baby sister. So we'll write that. Baby, B-A-B-Y, space sister, S-I-S-T-E-R. Baby sister. Okay, number 4 is down here, and I think that's the brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Great, that's done. Number 5 is right here. So is this the grandfather or the grandmother? Grandfather. Let's write that. G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R. Grandfather. Which means this is the grandmother. G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R. Grandmother. All right, and we are finished with part A. Okay, and this is part B. It just says circle. We're gonna look at the picture and choose between he or between she. And as we talked about in class and in your books, he is a male, so that could be a boy or a man. And we use she when we're talking about one girl or when we're talking about one woman. All right, for stick figures, a boy, and she is for a girl. Okay, let's do it. So this is he. It is a boy. What about her? She. It is a woman. What about this picture? He. It is a man. And we're done part B. And this is part C. It just says read and match. So let's read through these family names and then we'll match them to the pictures over here. Grandmother. That is all the way down here. She's a grandmother. Brother. Who's the brother? Him. Baby sister. She is the baby sister. Grandfather. The last one. All right, part C is done. Okay, this is part D, and it says read, write, and circle. So we'll be writing questions, and then they already have the answers here for us. So we just need to write who's she if it's a girl in the answer, or who's he if it's a male, a boy or a man in the answer. And just so we can remember, in our books, we learned that whose equals who is. He's means he is. And she's means she is. Okay? And also, this pattern in your books looked like this. Let's start. First, who's she? She's my sister, and they circled the sister. Let's trace it. Big W, H, O, apostrophe S, whose? S-H-E, she. Who's she? She's my sister. Circle the sister. Number 2, he. He's my father. Okay, we want to know about a person, so we have to write who. W, big W, H, O, apostrophe S. Who's he? He's my father. Circle the father. Number 3, she's my mother. Okay, we want to know about a person, so let's start with who. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose, and this says she right here, so let's use she. She. Who's she? She's my mother. There we go, that's the mother. Number 4, she's my grandmother. All right, one more time, whose, big W, H-O apostrophe S, and this says she, so we know it's going to be a woman. Who's she? She's my grandmother. That's the grandmother. We are done. Good job, everybody.